Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for November 9th, 2016. Reporting right before the election returns are out. Not really thrilled about trading this type of market because I'm trying to show everyone longer term trades, but unfortunately there was a lot of money to be made intraday today. And the idea is that Simpler Stocks is about teaching and showing good setups. I had more emails today from people that made a lot of money today just trading intraday. So like I said, if there's money to be made intraday and then you have no risk going into the election, well, that's what I'm going to show everybody. So just to let you know what happened today is you had the ESs at one time down 9 points, up 750. They got up to about 12 points at one time. You got the NASDAQ up 2850, Russell doing much of nothing. Bonds down 17. A lot of this is because of a future I don't even have up here. If you go and put up here, HG, you had a massive rally this week in copper. Absolutely massive. Usually copper is a precursor to economic conditions. When copper has that kind of blip, that makes bonds go down. If you were wondering why bonds were down today, that's what I think it is, threat of inflation. So just keep that in mind. But we have bonds down 16 or 17. Industrials up 72. SPX up 8. We had the transports down all of 2 points. At one time, they were down 160. Unbelievable reversal in there. We had gold down 390. Crude oil down a bit. Dollar up a bit. Little cautious trading. You had the Mexican peso up just a bit today. You had the advanced declines all day were just neutral. At the worst, down 800. At the most, up 8 or 900. Volatility down just a bit, down 21. That's what happens when the ESs are up. Volatility is down. UVXY down another point in here. Remember, that's a depleting commodity. It counts on the volatility going up every day, or it's going to fall apart. You have the Chinese market and the German DAX not doing much today. So what does all this mean in here? Number one, I don't know what it means, and I hate to say that. I know every pundit on Twitter thinks they have it all figured out. I don't have it figured out until after the event. The way that I've made money over 34 years, almost 35 years, is I react after an event. I'm good at reacting after an event. And I'm going to show you a couple of situations where intraday you could react after an event. So tomorrow, after the opening, we'll see what happens. Definitely on that. But let me just show you how a lot of money people made money today. Number one, transports, like I said, were down 160 at one time. That's because stocks like CAR that acted so well earlier in the week got absolutely blasted today because one of their companion stocks, I call them, was Hertz, got nailed today. Now, what's interesting about this is where Hertz ended up. Let me show you how people trade on our side. I'm only going to show you one thing. You need to go to the premium to really tune into this. Let's just put it this way. A lot of our clients today bought Hertz right there, and they bought CAR right there. I have more compliments today about the trades today. Really exciting. So just to let you know what we include on your $7 trial for 30 days, which we're not going to have forever, but we still have for now. You get the chat room where you get me on from 9 to 10 in the morning. Premium videos a lot more in depth than in here. You have the email alerts. Email alerts are a big part of this site. I put out at least 6 stock trades and chart ideas a day, at least 6 index charts. We actually have a number of people that all they do is trade futures, but they say our index and futures charts are better than anything else on the street. The other thing we put out is unusual option activity. I don't put out 1,000 ideas a day and then brag when one of them works. What I do in there is I put out ones that combine charting in the overall market, and our success rate is tremendous. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow, and I can't wait to come back to normalcy so I can show longer term swing trades. Everybody have a great night.